Welcome to this revision. Physics. A girl travels around a circular path from point A to B. The radius of the circular path is 25 meters. Point B is directly east of point A. Clear, right? This is tutor PVS. Join me as I explain this question. Calculate the distance traveled by the girl, 3 marks. Calculate the displacement of the girl, 2 marks. You need to know what these two words mean, distance and displacement. Okay? Before you even go anywhere, distance is the total length. All right? That someone covers. But displacement is the distance covered in a specified direction. That means with the distance, there's no need of direction. We're looking for the total length. So answering this, the first part, 2.21, okay? So it's covered distance just the total length, right? Now, if someone has to move from A to B, you move from A to B like that. We're looking for the entire distance. And in our case, that's the circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle is given by C2 pi r. But if someone has to move from A to B, A to B is here. Akanika half kamena azaenda te. So that means the person will cover half of the circumference. So the person will cover half of the circumference, 2 pi r. So this will just be pi r. Pi, we can use the same pi that we know. The radius is actually 25. The radius is what? 25 meters. Then multiplying these two, I'm getting the distance as I'm getting 78.54 meters. That's all. What about displacement? Now, displacement, it talks about the shortest distance that you can move. For example, if I've got place A here and place B, I can move direct to B, right? But if there is another place you see here and I'm going to B, remember the goal is to go to B. I can move like that. I can also move like that. If there's a C here, this which I'm moving like this is distance. But displacement will take the shortest route. Wow, this is distance. So displacement talks about the shortest route. So if I'm moving from A to B, instead of moving like this, well, I can just move like this. Exactly. So 2.22 for the displacement of the girl. If I start from point A ending at B, the shortest straight line distance between A and B is just the diameter of the circular or path. That's all. Now, diameter is twice the radius. So diameter is twice the radius. So the radius, the distance is just 50. This is the displacement. You are done, ladies and gentlemen. You are done. Thank you so much, and you are welcome.